Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the concatenate function within Excel. So in simple words, it is a function using which we can combine different cells of data together and put them together. So to get deeper into it, I have this data set available. So here I only have one row of data, but it is quite possible to have multiple rows of data. But if you learn how to compute it on one row, then you can just copy that formula and then eh, have it done for multiple rows of data. So let's look at the first example. You have the first name and you have the last name. So first name is Tom, last name is Alexander, and then you have a full name column. So there are times when you are analyzing data. You have when there are times when you're analyzing data, and you have to compute full names. So you have to get Tom, Alexander together. So what you do is you go onto the cell and then you put in equal to and then the concat function. Then you select the first name cell, you put a comma, and then you select the second name or the last name, and then you close the bracket and you press enter. So here you go, you have both the cells concatenated and you get the full name, but the full name is not in the correct format. So you see there's no space in between Tom and Alexander. So generally the full name is first name space last name. So what do we do to get the space in between? So we put an equal to sign, we put the concat function again, and then we select the first name, we put a comma, then we open inverted commas, then we put a space, we close the inverted commas, then we put another comma and we select the last name, we close the round bracket and we press enter. So you see now there is a space between Tom and Alexander. So this is the correct format or the desired format that we're looking for. The reason behind putting an inverted comma with the space was that Excel is going to read it as a space between both the cells. So we just combined one cell, a space, and a cell. So that's why uh, it is now coming up with a space. So this was one example. And then another example is when there are times when you have the first part of the email address, you have the symbol, and then you have the email. Email can be anything: Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Microsoft, anything can be there. So what do we do to combine them? And also there is an effective way of concatenating. Let's say you have, so these are just two cells or just three cells of data. Let's say if you have like 15 cells of data, so putting a comma each time and then putting the cell number, it's not that convenient and effective. So what we do is we go into the desired cell, we put an equal to sign, and we put the concat function, and then we go into the first cell from where we begin concatenating. We click on it and then we drag our cursor till the cell we want to concatenate. After we're done, we leave the mouse and then we close the round bracket and we press enter. So now you see we were successfully able to concatenate the email address. We now have it in the format abc@gmail.com. So this is very important whenever we are doing data analysis or whenever we have reports in Excel uh, which we need to send out. So concatenate function is very important. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like it, and it would be really nice if you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.